Alright guys, welcome back to the BI Bros channel. Today we got a Nerf war battle going on. We got ourselves a nice little game here. We're gonna take these two cups right here and we're gonna hide $1 inside and we're gonna put it on top of one of these. Now our contestants don't know which one the dollar is gonna be under, but we're gonna give these guys 10 minutes to shoot the cup with the dollar inside. It's Nerf bullets everywhere and fun inside. Let's get it right. So introducing first. Meek's Blaster Blue Squad.
Let's shoot these all.
And then introducing Zane's Sneak Attack Squad.
Let's shoot these guns up.
Yeah, let's go. All right.
Oh, yeah.
So, all right. All right, now you guys seen the contestants and they're pumped up and ready to go, guys. Now I'm going to ask you guys to turn around and don't look while I hide the money in one of these cups. All right, do not turn around. No, don't go in there, man. Come on, you're cheating. All right, look, turn around, guys. Look at these guys, man. All right. Oh, wait. First of all, introduce us your gun. Tell us what gun you got there, Meek.
My gun is called the X-Shot.
Turn around. Let me see. Let us see.
This is called the X-Shot rifle.
All right, how many rounds does it hold?
Rounds.
How many bullets?
Takes 10 each. Got 2 mags for it.
You got 2 mags? Where's the other one?
It's somewhere upstairs.
Okay. All right, and then what's that you got there, Zane?
It's called the Sniper.
Ooh, man, that's a one shot. You ready to go. You have the silencer on it?
It's called the Megalodon.
Megalodon?
Yeah.
All right, you guys ready to go? Okay, so Zane got the pea shooter, and then Meek think he gonna spray and pray. All right, you guys turn around while I hide this money.
Okay.
All right. Now, which cup, babe? Which cup? All right, babe. All right, guys. So you guys see it, man. I want you guys to comment below, man. Let me know what cup you think the money. Comment below. Let me know what cup you think the money's gonna be in. All right. All right. Let's see who wins, man. And also let us know what team you're going for. All right. All right. Oh dang! I think I messed that one up. All right. I'll do it again. All right. All right. Y'all ain't gonna look at the camera. Y'all, even the camera's not gonna know which one it is. But the money's there, guys. So let me pause this thing. All right, guys, the money's in the cups, guys. I guess if you guys didn't comment below, it's all good. Let's go. All right, guys, get ready to shoot. I'm going to start the 10-minute timer. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, comment below. Let us know what team you're going for, guys. All right, let's get it. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. you got 7 minutes left. You gotta put that dollar up. It could be $100 here.
5 minutes. You are what?
5 minutes left, guys. Oh, we have a winner. Me, Lou Batterford. Woo! Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Next time, man. Meek got it. What you gonna do with that money, man? What you gonna do with that money, man? Oh man, it's all right. Come on, let's everybody family hug on Zane. Family hug, man. It's all right, man. Family hug, guys. Family hug. Oh. It's all right, man. Maybe next time, buddy. All right, guys. That's it. Congratulations, Meek. You the man. Woo!